In this video, we will learn how to use Countif function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here sales data with the customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, sales amount. So I am using here Countif function on customer ID. You can see here the customer ID is the same most of the time. I just count how many cell is the same customer ID is exit. If I search the BH 11710, then BH 11710 is how many cell is available in how many count of the cell available same customer ID. Okay, so by using the count if function, you get the count of cell the same customer ID. Hope you understand. Let's start. Just is equal to enter the count if tab, select the customer ID, comma, customer ID, bracket close, copy, and down arrow, shift control up arrow, and paste. This is a count. You can see one count. It means the one only one customer ID. You can see here from last eight customer ID is the same. It is means same eight customer ID. One customer ID is 8 time. In which cell? In which? How many cells? 8 cells available in one customer ID. One cell, one customer ID is one cell. Two customer ID in two cells. If you want to see four customer ID in four cell, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.